Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anna Simone if you're new here. So today I'm bringing y'all an installation, customization, everything. I'm going to be actually taking out these braids like I think today. And so I was sent this wig. She right here from the company Pink Stamp Hair. I'm actually going to show y'all their Instagram and the information will be linked down below so y'all can check this hair company out. So I have a full lace wig, as y'all can see. It's a frontal. It has the baby hair detailing. I just pinned it on the doll head right now. It looks pretty plucked, but I'm going to do it just a little bit more so that the edges just look really natural. Because y'all can see, y'all know Musk hair actually comes in like this 1B color, not one. So I'm going to dye it just a little darker, like jet black basically. And yeah, I'm really excited. I think I'm going to do a middle part. I feel like I always do middle parts. They look the best on my big head. So we're going to do a middle part. But yeah, so it's called Pink Stamp Hair. This is their Instagram. I'm actually going to have it on the screen on the side so y'all can see it because that was probably blurry. And I'm really excited to install this wig. I've been braids, locks, everything this summer, as y'all know. So I'm really excited to get back into the fall and be able to install all these wigs. So I hope y'all enjoy, and let's just get right into the rest of this video.
Ain't playing by the code, I'm just here for what I'm owed. Baby on the high, she been puffin' on the most. Bought a little more like I came from Montrose. Said I'm ready for whatever, I've been staying on my toes. And I'm back at it, feeling late nights like a crack addict. Tying up the score, better put me in a straight jacket. Breaking through the press, when I see it, I attack it. No holding back, when you hanging on the wall, it gets graphic. Blood stains on the mattress, the city painted red, I'm on the verge of snapping. Next, they ask me where I'm going, I say yup next. I'm sending out a message, told them that they better read the text. This the direction that I'm headed for niggas who tend to question. A mind state that's never ever been in their possession. Procession, penthouse moving in succession. Lame niggas cross me, I pray they learn their lesson. Pray they learn their lesson. Told mama no need for the stressing. I know that I've been your biggest blessing.
Alright y'all, so it's the next day. So I basically finished plucking. As y'all can see, like the hairline just looks a little thinner, more natural. Of course I did the other side as well. As y'all can see now, this color is very much giving brown. So I got my water right here. I'm about to do like the hot dye method, I guess. I'm gonna be using this black Nutrice Garnier color, and I have my tongs so that I can stick her in there without getting my hands all dirty and all that. So we're about to do that now. The water's pretty hot, so I'm gonna go hurry up and do that. And yeah.
And you wanna see me make it out, no question. And you wanna see me make it out, no question. And I'm brave, swinging for the fences, now I'm stepping to the plate. It's all about the action, I don't have much.
As y'all know, like hair dye always comes with, well, most of them come with the after color treatment. What is this? This is the developer, and then we have I don't even know, the coloring cream. Okay, so I'm about to blend with, what is this? Oh, it's oil for the hair. Okay, so we're gonna include this in here as well.
Said it's all about the action, I don't have much to say, cause it's all on me. Yeah, it's all on me. Yeah, it's all on me, never fall on me. Yeah, it's all on me. Yeah, it's all on me. Yeah, said it's all on me. If it come down, it's gonna fall on me. I'm a legend in the making, willingness to high rotation. Outstanding, so I get ovation. I was never.
So you always want to make sure that you're using cold water, and I'm going to be using the black vanilla sulfate free shampoo and then the black vanilla conditioner. And since this dye actually comes with this little like aftercare treatment, I'm going to be using this as well. So we about to do that right now.
Been known to take vacations, working in the back house. I know you was on PlayStation. They looking like a bust, cause potential never panned out. Pit stop, I know they tired, trying to take the fast route. Sharding on these boys, so you know I gotta stand out. Handouts, never got none, so I'm never shaking. Hit the lotto, but my team never tanking. All I see is green like I'm Tatum. Part of God's army, never falling down to Satan. Never falling down to Satan. They been praying on my downfall.
Okay, so she's freshly washed. This is how she's looking. She's jet black now, as y'all can see. And it's like a loose, ooh, y'all don't mind my stand. But it's like this loose body wave hair. It looks really good now that it's jet black. So I'm really excited. I'm letting her dry. And right now I'm about to just put on, this is just some hair milk. It's just a refresher spray, so I always just use this on my natural hair. So, you know, we're gonna put it on her too to make sure she smells good and looks ready to install. So that's what I'm about to do right now. And I received very minimal shedding, like super good hair, good quality. It dyes very easily. So let's get into the install process now. Okay, y'all, so the wig is on. It's this color right now because I used the Ebon tinted lace spray. This is really like that if you want this to match your natural skin tone. So I use the color dark brown. You don't need a lot of this. I just spray this right on the inside of the cap before I even put it on my head. And we're about to install it now. So let's see how this goes.
They've been praying on my downfall. They've been praying on my downfall. They've been praying on my, pray they learn their lesson. Told mama no need for the stressing. I know that I've been your biggest blessing. And you wanna see me make it out, no question. And you wanna see me make it out, no question. And I'm brave, swinging for the fences, now I'm stepping to the plate. It's all about the action, I don't have much to say. Said it's all about the action, I don't have much to say. Cause it's all on me, yeah, it's all on me. Yeah, it's all on me, never fall on me. Yeah, it's all on me. Yeah, it's all on me. Yeah, said it's all on me. If it come down.
Okay, y'all, so the wig is on. I just put a band on the edges right now because I just want to lay it down. So now I'm gonna take this off, see how it looks. I don't know. Let us pray. And then I'm gonna attempt to cut some baby hair. So I think I'm gonna do a side part. Okay, not bad. Let me add some baby hairs because it's looking real dry right now. So let's see. Yeah, so I decided that I'm going to do a side part. So that's what I'm working on now.
It's gonna fall on me.
I don't even know which way to cut, like. Alright, y'all, this is the end result of the hair. It's in its natural. Okay, we're gonna try this again. This is the end result of the hair. My mom wanted to be in the outro so she can give y'all her review on this hair that I got from Pink Stamp Hair. So all I did right now, I just plucked it some more. Y'all know how it is. We gotta customize a wig a couple of days after you put it on. Make sure you really like it. So I actually really do like this hair. As y'all can tell, it looks real shiny and moisturized. Just a little bit of mousse conditioning is all I did. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Ma, how do you feel about this hair?
Well, I like it. I like dark colors on you, obviously. It looks good.
Yeah,
nice and full.
It does look good. Yeah, she's moving. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the end result because, you know, I have filmed another outro, but I look dead tired. So I was like, let me redo this when I'm in good spirits. So this is the end result. I hope y'all enjoyed this customization, installation, everything. Make sure I hit that subscribe button. What else they gotta do, Mom? Like and comment. All right, so that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoy. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Thank y'all for tuning in.